Hey guys, this is Faris, and are you ready for Ramadan? Well, before that, I would like to welcome you to a pre-Ramadan episode of the Weekend Roundup. The Weekend Roundup is where we tell you about all the coolest events happening here in Qatar over the weekend. Ramadan is almost upon us, and if you're a 12 to 18-year-old who wants to organize your time during the season, might as well drop by at the Qatar National Library today from 4 till 6 p.m. to get practical ideas on how to make a different agenda for the holy month. The workshop will be conducted in Arabic, and you can visit the QNL website now to register. Another workshop to look out for is happening this Saturday from 10 a.m. until 12 noon inside DFCS Mamas and Papas, and it's fully dedicated for our mighty parents to be out there. Get helpful advice and insights about everything from pushchairs to car seat safety once you attend for absolutely no cost. Reserve your seats by calling them at 44115735. Dragon Animal Care Center in Doha is hosting a kitten party, and it's truly going to be one of the greatest and most unforgettable events that you will attend tomorrow from 6 till 9 p.m. Besides playing with cute cuddly kittens, you'll also get to enjoy some treats. Entrance is for free, so make sure to mark your calendars. Back due to popular demand, another exploration in one of the most majestic landscapes in Qatar is once again happening tomorrow from 8:30 a.m. until 1:30 p.m. See the Tais Island like never before through the mangroves of this hidden natural treasure. Register now to reserve yourself a slot. Next up, don't miss the amazing offers on rides, shopping, food and drinks only at Qatar's biggest outdoor amusement park, the Entertainment World Village. They're open daily from 5 until 11:30 p.m. and you only have until this Saturday before they close for the season, so hurry up! For our last event, it's the Diamond League, which is coming back to Doha for the 10th time this Saturday inside the Khalifa International Stadium. If you're as excited as us, then make sure to avail your tickets now on their website. So I guess that's it guys for today's episode of the Weekend Roundup. If you enjoyed it, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. And if you guys want to know more about fun events in Qatar before they happen, then make sure to download the Qatar Events app and you will never miss another event again. Available on Android and iOS, the app is completely free and it's easy to use. And since Ramadan is just a heartbeat away, you can check out Ramadan.qa for everything Ramadan related in the country. And also don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and be up to date with what's happening in and around Qatar. For more details, visit our website iLoveQatar.net. Happy weekend and salam!